everyone, welcome back to my channel Bricks and Blocks. Temperature have begun to rise and it looks like we are in for another sizzling summer. And hot summers can be quite unforgiving. As temperature rise, most of us resort to keeping our house cool by using air conditioners. The irony is while draining our pockets to keep our house cool, we are also burning enough fossil fuels, making the world a hotter place. Fortunately, a few smart simple hacks can help you keep your house cool without tracking up huge carbon footprints. Well, to get into some ventilation tips, here are our few tried and tested tips. Before we get into the topic, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Point 1. Cross ventilate. Set up a cross ventilation current by using windows on opposite sides of the room. It would be best to open the windows to let the fresh early morning air between 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. and again in the evening post 7 p.m. When the sun is at its peak, opening the windows could do more harm than good. So avoid keeping the windows open all day. Point 2. Set up an indoor waterfall. Tabletop waterfalls with a circulating water are a great way to cool down a room. As the water flows, it reduces the temperature of the surrounding air and increases the humidity. Point 3. Add indoor plants. Indoor plants are natural temperature regulators. Plants lose water through transpiration, and when this water evaporates, it reduces the temperature in the surrounding air. A bonus is that indoor humidity is maintained at optimal levels and toxins in the air are purified. Point 4. Light it right. Something you probably did not realize is that lights radiate a lot of heat and can rise the indoor temperature by several degrees. Swap these lights out for LED or CFL lamps, which are cooler and also consume less electricity. Point 5. Fill your window ledges and balconies with plants. Place potted plants in your windows in such a position that they block out the sun rays. Climbers like money plants can be grown on a balcony grills and staircase rails to create a shade and keep the indoor cool. Without a doubt, plants are the best natural air conditioners. Point 6. Keep the fans on. Ceiling and pedestal fans keep the indoor air moving, and this can help to keep the room cooler. If you keep a shallow bowl of ice in front of a table mounted fan, the surrounding air will get instantly more refreshing. This is because when the ice melts, it takes the heat from the air around it. The fan blows the super cool air in your direction, acting as a natural air cooler. Point 7. Curtains that breathe. Summers call for light and airy curtains at the windows. Use fabrics like muslin that can breathe. Point 8. Use a wet towel on the window. If you like to sleep with the windows open, hang a damp towel or a sheet in front. This will create a natural cooling effect that will help you sleep better. The sheet will dry and reduce the room temperature. Point 9. Use cotton bed linen. Swap out your winter bed sheets with a fresh, light bed linen, preferably in white or pastel shades. Cotton stays cold for longer time and it will keep you comfortable during hot nights. Stay away from synthetic fabrics. Point 10. Water down the terrace. If you stay on top floor of your building with a terrace above, spraying a water on the hot terrace surface in the evening will cool the tiles and make your bedroom much cooler. An even better idea would be to create a terrace garden with a shady plants that can keep the floor cool during the day time as well, keeping your bedroom fresh. Point 11. Dye ice pack. Fill an old sock with rice, tie the open ends tight and put this in the freezer for several hours before bedtime. Tucked under your sheets, this homemade ice pack will keep you cool at night and won't ooze moisture as many packs do. Point 12. Food that keeps you cool. Planning a summer specific food habit is a great strategy to say goodbye to body heat. Seasonal fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, grapes, oranges, and vegetables like cucumber, radish, lettuce, leafy greens, and herbs like mint can help you stay cool and energized, even when the heat turns up. It is also the time of year our body craves some flavorable hydration. Before we drink bottled beverages available in the market, try some traditional drinks that were homemade beverages. I hope these tips will help you stay comfortable in the summer. Which tip you like the most? comment below in the comment section. If you like my video and if you like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.